Hi, another shorter video about Usm Go Plus calibration and auto calibration. I'll use for this one a 0-degree probe. I'll take this one, not this one, okay? But we can check this also. I'll check, maybe after this one I'll make another one if I want a longer video to do the same thing with that one and check if it works. Can we see what we want to see? But with this one, so the plan is the number of the probe, the name, 0 degrees, frequency, probe delay to find with velocity manually or without velocity auto calibration, and then after that to do these things: horizontal, linearity, resolution check, sensitivity calibration, and amplitude control linearity. So the same thing that I have already done, but I'll just do it maybe faster this way. And the angle probes I have already done other videos, longer ones, with 45, 60, 70, so you can watch them, find them in the playlist. Okay, so what I do, I switch on the Usm Go flaw detector. I take one cable because that's a single transducer probe, not dual. I put it here. Well, it was standing for several hours now from the last video, and now it still shows 98, so it doesn't charge to 100, this battery. I just connect this one. Now I will take the settings from the dual and then change them. So I go to the big menu, press in the beginning. I will try to remember which one is that with 0 degrees. I'm going into, down, 70, 70, 70, 60. Dark. I don't need dark. This one. Enter. Now that's store dataset. I need to go back. Enter. I need to restore, recall, enter. Now once again, up maybe, this one, enter. Unfreeze because it's frozen. That one doesn't show anything yet, so I know the number. There's the number. Later I'll put it in the name of the file. Probe delay, range. Well, range we need 100 because we will I'm using here number 1 calibration block, so we need 4 or 6 spikes. Okay, so I increase the range to, let's say, 125. 0 degrees, that's in the big menu. I go to the big menu. No, not this way, go down, and now maybe. Here you go. Eval. 1, okay, 1 is, let's do 0. Thickness, but we won't see that here because there will be no legs, I think. X value is 0. Okay, we're going back. The range. Probe delay, it should be 0, but we can maybe leave it because we will use autocal velocity. Here, according to the standard, that's good enough. That's exactly the number I need. But then we don't use autocal, or okay. Receiver. That's 4. Frequency. Enter. Nothing still. Why there is no signal? I'll check. Dual on. Okay, dual off. Do I have it here? No. Okay, that will be 2.2. Dual on off. Then what else? Frequency is here. Okay, doesn't matter. Dual off. Okay, maybe now it will. Nothing. Let's go back. Enter. Down. Pulse. Probe delay. Maybe that's too high. I'll check. Going up and making it, let's say 0. We need to put some gel. Maybe, yeah, the thickness is okay. Here you go. They appeared. So you cannot check this with your finger. It goes somehow slow. Okay, now maybe it will be faster. I do it 0 for the start and then decrease the gain, or maybe with auto 80 like this. Here the first one is auto 80 now. Once again here. The connection here will be more stable than the last one. Okay, here you go. But the transfer correction, then it's like mirror. So the transfer correction will be like, I have no idea what, but I won't make it now. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we'll move that with a probe delay. So probe delay 0. Now calibration and auto calibration. So let's do calibration now, manual. What we do is we put in the velocity, and for the straight or 0 degree probe, that's 5920, and then the probe delay will appear. What we find this one to be 25, so I'm going up and then I'm increasing the probe delay and checking what's there. Okay, that's fast. Why is it so? I have no idea. Is it so small? Wait, I cannot. That goes too fast. But maybe I have some data from in my Excel to check if it was like that or not. Okay, let's do 25 and then write it down. Okay, here it is, something like that. 760. Okay, I'll move the gate on these ones just to check. Is it showing what I want? That should be 100. Okay, let's go. Maybe that's done. Up and move it here. Okay, 0.05, and this one 0.10, and this one, okay, over 1 millimeter out of 100. Maybe that's okay. So that's the manual calibration of this probe. Okay, we have the going down, going to the range. That's the probe delay we found. 1 minute, I'll take this thing and check. Maybe I find this number 364R. No, here, maybe this one. Single. 4. Yeah, I have it 0.57, but I don't have the velocity. And of this one, I have 0.85. Okay, so for these ones, the probe delay is very small. It's not like 5 or 7 as in the others, or 10 in the angle probes. Okay, so that's good enough. So, okay, now I'll do the same thing with autocal. I will not put the velocity, okay, it's there, but it will calculate it once again. I will put the probe, okay, the gate on the first one 25, then on the last one 100. Okay, make it auto calibrate the velocity and the probe delay, and then check once again. So for this one, the first one is 25. Okay, I'll check then what autocal does. Okay, now I'll go to the gate and move it right. Okay, that's 94, that's 88, and that's back a bit. Okay, that's here, not that one. It's 0.81. Okay, so here is, okay, now that's manual, that will be auto. What I do is go to autocal. I don't touch the probe, it stands where it is. I go to autocal, then don't do that. Autocal, then let's go down, gate start, let's go back to here. Now first one, second one, and record. So I'll go down, I will put that 25. Now that one will be 100. I will put it there. Okay, now I want to record the first one. Right? Okay, now move this to there. Gate. Back a bit. Here you go. Now record second one to the right. Autocal complete. I'll check that later. Now okay, I'll go to the range now. It finished calibrated. Okay, back down here. Okay, so autocal made it 780 and the velocity is 5935. Okay, now let's check the 4 of them. So that last one is 100, so it's 0.00. Now the next one, well, okay, let's check. Gate, back, freezing, here, back. Wow, it's 0.1. Okay, that's nice. Back a bit. Here, 0.1. Okay, and back a bit. That's 0. Okay, that's autocal. Okay, that one you can do like this one, because it calculates both. It calculates for you, not manually, like velocity and probe delay. We set this, but it's plus minus something, okay, of the metal. This one is plus minus 30, so it made it 15 plus. That not what I put in manually. And then it calculated the probe delay, and that is like, okay, without anything at the end. Okay, well, that's nice. Okay, that's a really nice result. Yeah, okay. Now I'll pause and let's do in a faster way these ones. So as I remember correctly, that's what we were doing with the horizontal linearity. Some percent of 4 or 6 points and 3%. So yeah, that's good enough. That's perfect. Resolution check on the number 1 block. What I do is put it, let's do it like this. Here is the 3 different numbers. So I'll put some gel on here, and I will put this thing here, and we'll check what we can see. Okay, we can do it like this. Here we can see 3 spikes, and I can put them in this way, so we have 3, and I don't think they will change the height. So I just increase the gain like this, and let's check the first one, second one, and third one. So moving with the gate right, now back here, right, now too much back. I need to take the first one, and it should be 85. Okay, that's point something. Okay, point 15. So 85 is 0.15. The next one should be 91. Let's check. Okay, 06 for this one, 0.06. That's the 100th of the millimeter. Okay, now move to 1. We should find 100 there. Okay, 0.08. Okay, well, I can increase maybe a bit the probe delay, so they are over 100. No, not under, but who cares? Yeah. So the resolution check, I should check the whole with the sensitivity calibration now. I will not pause, no problem. I'll just take the tool, take the gel, and just move on. Maybe this way. Okay, here. I'll put it here. I'll put some here. I'll put some here, and that will be good enough. Let's take the measure of the 15 millimeters depth. Here it is. Let's go with a gate, and maybe this thing is here. No, 45. Okay, that's the up there. Let's check. What do we have? 45. Okay, yeah, that's 45. We found a defect there. This defect. Move back. What is here? 14, 21. It's in the depth of 15 plus the diameter of the hole, something like that, or exactly maybe like that. Now let's put it here, and maybe it won't fall if the connection is perfect. Let's see. I like experiments. Okay, it's falling. Okay, good enough. Now let's check this one. It should be 35. Okay, here 35 plus minus the half of the diameter. So yeah, so we can find this from here now. Amplitude control linearity 80% the first spike, then decrease the something, decrease the something by 6 decibels. Amplitude, yeah, amplitude. Okay, let's put it here. Here, perfect. Decrease the gain. Now put the gate on it. Okay, now auto 80. Let's try it this way. So now decibels. I need auto 80. Here it is now. Here I wanted 70, 60, and I will do what? Decrease the gain by 6. Okay, let's do that like this. 2, 1, 0, and it doesn't go down. Okay, so I cannot test this thing because it doesn't go down. So no luck with the 10th thing. I won't do this one. I will test that out, not in this video. So that's the way you do calibration and auto calibration with this Usm Go with a straight probe. Bye for now.